Hello, I'd like today to talk to you about the law of allowing. Not long after somebody explained it to me, I had a really interesting experience. At the time, I was really seeking the answer to something and I couldn't find it. And I was really going sort of crazy in my head. And then I came across a person who I thought was going to provide me with the answer. And I was on the phone with them one day and I suddenly realized with this horrible sinking feeling in my stomach that they weren't going to provide me with the answer. And it was in that moment that I suddenly remembered what this person said to me. And I realized that I needed to stop chasing after the answer and allow it to come to me. Revolutionary, I know. So I relaxed. It was such a relief to not have to think about it anymore. And less than 24 hours later, the answer just came to me. And truly, in the intervening years, that answer has truly stood the test of time as a really good answer. It's interesting, isn't it, how we spend our time sort of struggling, striving, pushing, chasing after, seeking, searching, which is energy going out, instead of being in a more receptive energy and allowing things to come to us. And so I want to give you 4 pointers as to how you can use tapping to help you with this. So number 1, first of all, you can use it like a default statement with anything that you're having a problem with to affirm that it's easy. So you can say, I allow whatever it is to be easy. You can tap on the side of the hand and say, even though I'm having trouble with XYZ, or even though XYZ is really difficult, I allow it to be easy. And then you tap around. I allow it to be easy. I allow it to be easy. I allow it to be easy. So you're getting out of this difficult, troublesome energy into a more easy, affirming an easier place. Number 2, you can use the power of allowing to help you to express any emotion or quality that you want to express more of. For example, you can say, I allow myself to be calm. I allow myself to be confident. I allow myself to relax. I allow myself to be inspired, motivated, passionate, empowered. Whatever it is you want to express more of, you tap in to affirm the allowance of it. Number 3, you can use this receptivity that comes from allowing to help draw things to you, the things that you want. I allow more money to flow to me. I allow a new relationship to come into my life. I allow more clients to flow to me, or a new job. Whatever it is that you want to attract, you allowing it to show up. And yeah, of course you do have to take action for these things, but we want that action to come from a receptive perspective. Number 4, you can use this in order to help you take the actions that you want. So it might be, I allow myself to get really fit. I allow myself to take time out. tap on what, allowing whatever it is you want to take action on. So I hope that's given you a few ideas, and that you have fun experimenting with getting yourself into a more receptive state through the law of allowing, which is so very powerful. So please comment and let me know how you're going with it. I'd love to hear. Bye.